Right, hi everyone. My name is Chloe. I am a scientist who fully committed to falling down the rabbit hole. So I entered as a marine biologist trying to understand where species are distributed on our seabed and why, and I tumbled out somewhere as a computer scientist trying to use artificial intelligence to answer these questions. So on the seabed, we have a huge diversity of marine life, from sponges that look like big funnels, to bird nests, to cold water corals that look like feathers, or even cauliflowers, like so. Cool, right? So these hotspots of biodiversity are really important for the functioning of marine ecosystems. They provide habitats, they provide breeding grounds for commercial fish species, they play a role in climate regulation and nutrient cycling, but they're also really vulnerable to human impacts, so things like pollution, climate change, and resource extraction. So how do we ensure that they're sustainably managed and protected? Well, for a start, we need to know where they are. We need accurate and extensive maps of their distribution. And traditionally, this is done by taking cameras, taking lots of pictures of the seabed, and some poor biologist has to spend months of their life analysing every single one of these and saying what's in them. And speaking from experience, this drives you crazy. So what can we do? We need a way that's more efficient, more cost-effective, and more consistent. So this is where machine learning comes in, and AI. So if you think about facial recognition, you think about the airport, automatic border control, you think about uploading pictures to Facebook, and it would tell us who our friends are. Well, we're taking the same technology, and we're just using that for images of the seabed. And this can work really fast, much cheaper, much more consistent, but AI still needs our help. So it can be really challenging to tell the difference between these organisms. There's a lot of natural biological variation. Communities look quite different just because of taking pictures underwater. So how can we help machine learning to tell the difference and make those decisions? Well, by following in the footsteps of biologists. So biologists don't just use visual cues to tell the difference between species and organisms. They use the environmental context. They know where it is in the ocean, what depth, what sediment it's on. So why not just do the same with machine learning? And that is what my project is about. So hopefully that will work quite well. We're looking at trying to build on traditional methods of automated recognition of vulnerable seabed communities, but using not only the imagery, but the environmental context of, and bringing that together in one model. And yeah, this work's really important because if we don't improve AI capabilities in our seabed surveys, we can't effectively map the distribution in these communities, and we can't protect those really vital roles that they play for us and our planet. So if any of that sounds interesting and I've managed to pull you down the rabbit hole, please get in contact. Thank you.